Hello, great viewers. It's Zoologist Alan on your screen once again. Today, I'll be talking about beasts of burden. They are otherwise called work animals. That is because they can carry out different tasks assigned to them in the field, on the farm, and different parts of the environment. They are so important economically as they aid our activities. In agriculture, they are so valued because of the activities they carry out from the olden days up till recent times, even with the coming of mechanized instruments. Okay, this is a beast of burden, the horse. As you can see, it's laden with some number of blocks or bricks that can be used for one activity or the other. Now it can convey it to various locations as instructed by the owner. Now we also have a camel. Camels are wonderful animals as they can carry luggages even through desert and people from one point to the other with their high resilience of retaining water for long. After having drunk a lot of water, they can transcend the desert, sandy area or dunes and carry people and luggages across for quite a long period of time, even days. They are used for different purposes, as you can see in this picture. Now, other animals or beasts of burden are trained for sporting activities, like in the case of this dog playing an American football called rugby. It can deliver it from one point to the other. I believe that is quite amazing or interesting. Other dogs are trained for racing, or called a dog racing. They can compete favorably amongst each other and use all their sensory organs to determine how to start the game and get to the finish point. Other dogs are trained for jumping high vaults, or what you call the hurdles or the high jump, and others are trained for swimming. Now they generate money because of their economic gains to the owners or to the breeders or trainers of these work animals. Pigs can also be trained to play football using a small post, and they can detect the football and play from one point to the other. Now this is amazing, where dogs are trained for combat activities or covert operations on the field. Soldiers carry these dogs along because they have very high olfactory sense organ that can detect bombs, mines, and even hostiles from a distance. Now we have a bull here that is attached with a carriage. It can convey people and vegetables or flowers from one point to another. This is a yoked horse that is yoked with a harrower or ridger to reach the ground in order to plant crops. We have a donkey here that is laden with a carriage also. It's meant to convey people and goods from one place to the other. Like in the olden days, people traveled through distances using chariots that are built with various cabins. You can yoke 2 or more horses in order to perform that operation. Now here are a yoked cattle or cow that can convey goods from one point to the other. And we have some specially trained horses that can carry out sporting activity using all their sensory organs. They have strength and agility to carry out racing activities. Now in the olden days, we have birds that are yoked with letters or information that transmit it from one point to the other. They can fly through distances to transmit information, and that really helped in the olden days. So if you talk about work animals, you can refer to this picture and identify them, looking at their economic importance to agriculture and to everyone as a whole. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also the notification button in case I upload subsequent videos of mine. Ethological exploration and research continues on animals occupying different habitats or ecosystems. See you soon.